Good evening. So in the first breakout room, I was with Prapti and I think it was Ronit. So at first we discussed about the topic. So a common theme that came up was each and everyone of us was having problem with this online classes. There goes on for such a long time, so we get like a headache with that. Prapti said that she had some eye, like she had power in her eyes, so she got headaches. The same case was with me. In the second breakout room, I was with Anisha and Yuvraj. So here we were discussing about a lot of things. We discussed about the weather in Calcutta. After that, Yuvraj asked me that why I joined this course and what I want to learn from it. So I answered communication and skill development. This is what happened today.
Okay, okay. Uh, Ronit, can you tell us your experience?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, in my first breakout room, I was there with ma'am Avid, Subhajit Bhaiya and Prapti. And after that, ma'am, they were both very shifted. Then we and Avid were discussing about today's topic, that what problem we are facing. Then after some time, Veena ma'am joined, ma'am, and then we had a good conversation, a good topic about food and about Corona, ma'am.
Okay. Yuvraj, please unmute
Yes,
your.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In first breakout room, I was with Christine ma'am, Veena ma'am, Khushbu ma'am, uh, Anisha ma'am, and Arithrovia, and where we discussed about Christine ma'am was asking some questions, and I answered all the questions. This question was related to our topic, and also some other questions. So in my second breakout room, I was again with Anisha Di and Subhajit Bhaiya, where we were just discussing about some new topics like how I joined this LWT and what I want to get from this platform. So we were just discussing about it.
Okay, great. So I hope everyone's session was quite good today. So it was much of an interactive one. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
interactive
ma'am.
one.
It was a
Great.
lively conversation.
Okay, so I think you
Let
all
me
are
ask one
enjoying
question.
every
I think
day.
5 minutes. 5 minutes are left. Let me ask one question. Everybody can think. So, who do you think will be the most beneficiary of such sessions? Who do you think should take this session? Anisha, what do you think? Who
I
can
would
be our customer? Who can be our customer if LWT is providing such sessions? Christine ma'am session and this group discussion session. Who is our customer?
I wouldn't say any specific group of people because everyone should attend such sessions
Mhm. So
because
you are
no
saying it's
one
like a
is
gym?
perfect.
It's like a gym where everyone should exercise every day.
Nana, gym is not for the thin people. Please, if they go, I will just slap them and I will say, go back to your home.
No, but thin people also need to develop six packs, right? Anyway,
But the lady doesn't want to do
think
so.
about it. Think about it. Who is the customer of this product? Okay, this will bring to your, the marketing side and sales side of this. So, Vijit, yes, who is the customer of this product?
I think that anyone can be this customer of this product, like any age, any
Or
demographic.
rather, who cannot be the customer of this?
Who cannot be? That's a different question altogether. Who,
Yeah, I mean, who can be, who cannot be? There is always this target market that you have to find out, right? That okay, this is the product. Who is the target market of this product, or who isn't? So those people we don't have to promote this, right?
I think that anyone who is not interested in their personal skill development, soft skill communication development, they are not the ideal customer for this. People who are motivated and want to do something in their life, they should take, because this is a fundamental skill. It is not like coding or let's say marketing where only a fixed demographic will go for it. Communication everyone should learn
Yeah.
if they are interested in improving and making themselves better in the future.
Correct. Sure. Ronit, what's your take? And then Aritra can speak also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ronit, what do you think? Who should take this kind of course or
I
this
think
kind of
this
sessions?
kind of course can be taken by the person, sir, who is not well in their conversation, who cannot put up their points and thoughts, or who is being agitated in any such point. I think, sir, the person mainly for that person who involved in it should be, sir, who is not able to speak or is having introvert type of person.
Okay, sure, sure. Aritra, what do you think? Who is the ideal
Sir,
customer of this product?
sir, I think the ideal customer should be anyone who is willing to improve his or her communication skill, his personality development, want to get better promotion in job, or want to start his or her own business. Because you see, in this course, we are learning leadership skill, and leadership skill is necessary for job or business, anything we do. So they would be our ideal customers.
You mean communication skill, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So communication skill is important. Okay. So, okay, Yuraj, I think Yuraj didn't speak, right? Yuraj, quickly.
Yes, sir, I think everyone should join this LWT who wants to learn something and wants to improve his communication skill. And you are saying about that who cannot join this.
Yeah. I mean, who
So-
will not join? Who will not get motivated to join this kind of session?
So I have no answer of this question.
Okay. Think
I'm
about
good.
this also. Who
Yes,
who do
I
you think will not be, will be bored of these sessions or don't want to join these sessions? So they are not the ideal customer of this session, right? Yeah, okay, so I'll give you my summary. I think everyone said in one or the other way. You should think about, there is a lot of this coding and all is promoted, right? That if you don't learn coding, then you are like nowhere. But actually, it's coding. If you learn, is you can build a product. How will you sell the product without communication skill? And right now in COVID times, you would be realizing that most of the communications are happening for, some of you are doing this live project, right, of I Am Calcutta, where we are calling people and asking them to sort of complete their application, etc. Right. So, that very exercise is nothing but a sales exercise. So right now we are just asking people to complete their application, but later we'll be asking people to sort of, like, let's say, take the course or enroll in the course, or like take some kind of program, pay for the program, etc. And then you need to do so many follow-ups just to get the money out of them. Anisha, yeah, please, you want to say something?
So they want me to speak in Tamil or for any other state language. How will I
No, that's
speak?
fine. See, no. So that's their problem, right? Just now, so those people are our ideal customer in some ways, or maybe not our ideal customer. Who are too obsessed with their own mother tongue. So you can
So
exclude those people.
literally they want me to speak in Tamil, and I was like, sorry, sir, I cannot speak in Tamil.
See, it's always, out of 10 people or 100 people, you will meet 5-10 people with whom you cannot cope up. So as long as that number is not 90, I mean, as long as it's a perfect balance, that, your haters are not increasing. You have only 20-30% of the population as your haters. It's okay. The moment you start to get 70-80% who hate you, or, who want something else from you, what you really are, then you should think about changing yourself a bit. एक गाना है ना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. तो ये लोग जो है ना, ये लोग तो बोलते रहेंगे, और you can ignore them also, but you cannot ignore them completely. You cannot ignore 100% of the crowd. You can ignore maybe 5%, 10% of the crowd. So there is always that catch 22 situation कि जितना भी बोल लो ना, लोग ignore नहीं कर सकते लोगों को. Right. So it's a bit of a complex psychological behavior that we see. Anyway, okay. Okay, so I think we are over time. Anyone has any question, they can ask quickly, or anything. I think anyway, we'll yeah. If anyone has any question or something, or regarding the project and all, we can definitely take it offline. I mean, in a separate session. And thank you very much for this session. Thank you. Good night.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir, moderator and audience.
thank you, sir. Bye, sir.